Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Legal Knowledge by Shazia. Welcome to my new video about the most important topic, that is the Great Trial in Law and Lawyers by M.K. Gandhi. Guys, this is very important question for a long question for your examination point of view, and it is the very important topic, the Great Trial. It may be asked in each every question paper, and it is a compulsory question in every year. So, guys, let me explain you the most important topic of the day, that is the Great Trial, that is chapter 25 in Law and Lawyers by Mahatma Gandhi. Here, the Great Trial, which is happened to Mahatma Gandhi ji. Why Gandhi ji got a trial and what is the reason? So, the most important reason is Gandhi ji published the important articles in the newspaper that is called Young India, which is meant, I have mentioned here all the three articles which is published by Mahatma Gandhi ji in the newspaper of Young India. So let me see. The Great Trial happened as a result of Gandhi ji publishing articles in his newspaper Young India, and the articles were supposedly meant to induce hatred and contempt towards the British rule in India. Already you you have got the knowledge that during the time of Gandhi ji and the before independence, there was a British rule in India. Gandhi ji did not want to continue the government of British because he is he was unhappy with the British system, the government system of British. So that's why Gandhi ji started writing the articles in the newspaper, the famous newspaper that is the Young India. Try to remember the newspaper name, that is Young India, and I have mentioned here the important articles which Gandhi ji was published. The first one, Disaffection a Virtue, dated 15th June 1921. Second one, Tampering with Loyalty, dated 29th September. The Puzzle and its Solution, dated 15th December. And Shaking the Mains, dated 23rd February 1922. So these are the four articles which Gandhiji was published in the newspaper called Young India. Here, these articles were published by Sri Shankarlal Banker. Warrants were issued and Gandhiji was arrested from Satyagraha Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad on 10th March 1922. So, here Gandhiji, what the articles published, that is the Disaffection a Virtue in 1921, Tampering with Loyalty in 29th September, The Puzzle and its Solution, that is in on 15th December, again Shaking the Men's on 23rd February in 1922. So these are the four articles which was published by which was published by Shankarlal Banker. So that's why They got a the court has issued a warrant against Gandhiji and even Shankarlal Banker, both of them, and they were arrested from Satyagraha in Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad in 1922. Here, next what happens? The first witness, the superintendent of police, Ahmedabad, produced the Bombay government's authority to lodge a complaint for the four articles and 124 according to 124A of IPC, and the trial was conducted on Saturday, 18th March 1922 at 12 noon before CN Broomfield District and Session Judge Ahmedabad. Here, Gandhiji was arrested in Sabarmati Ashram from Satyagraha in 1922, got arrested. You know that because of the reason that Gandhiji published all the four articles and published in the new daily weekly newspaper that is Young India. So for that purpose, what is the reason Gandhiji published these four articles? Because he was he does not interested in the system of British. That's why to provide knowledge to the public about the disaffection and also to provide a disaffection to the public, Gandhiji decided to publish these four articles to get to give the knowledge of the British system to public people. So again, what happens? Gandhiji was arrested and he was the warrant was issued from was in a Sabarmati ashram, and according to the 124 A of Indian Penal Code was got a lodge a complaint, and the trial was conducted on Saturday 18th March 1922 at afternoon 12 noon before Broomfield District and Session Judge Ahmedabad. Now the trial starts in 1922. Sir Thomas Strongman was the Advocate General. Rao Bahadur Giridhar Lal, public prosecutor, conducted the prosecution. The accused were undefended. Here, after the trial was started, Sir Thomas Strongman, he was the Advocate General, and Rao Bahadur Giridhar Lal, he was the public prosecutor, conducted the prosecution against Mahatma Gandhiji, but the accused Mahatma Gandhiji was undefended. Then what happens? Under 124A, the accused were charged of sedition, and the two accused clearly pleaded guilty of the charges. So Gandhiji, he was the accused, were charged of sedition. Sedition means Deshadroha. So both of them, the publisher name that is Sundarlal, and Mahatma Gandhiji, Giridhar Lal and Mahatma Gandhiji, both of them were felt guilty and were attacked and was arrested before the police, and was the accused were charged of sedition, and the two accused clearly pleaded guilty of the charges. Next, Strangeman urged the judge to conduct a detailed trial, stating that it was important to investigate the charges as they were of serious character and highly desirable in the public interest, that these charges be thoroughly investigated, for which the full facts of the case were absolutely necessary. He urged that as far as Section 271 of Criminal Procedure Act, then there is no other reason and there is no other way to save Mahatma Gandhiji, and again one another accused, that is a publisher, Giridhar Lal, both of them were guilty and they got charges. Banker's charges were less serious as it was under the influence of his chief and hence simple imprisonment of 6 months for each count and a fine of 1000 rupees with 6 months simple imprisonment was awarded. Gandhiji was got imprisonment of 6 months and also 1000 rupees fine at that time along with the 6 months. Even for banker also the imprisonment of 6 months and even for Gandhiji also 6 months imprisonment and 1000 rupees fine. Now there is no other way. Mahatma Gandhiji felt honored to have been classes with Mr. Tilak and that the whole proceedings and the judges were very considerate and courteous. Gandhiji smiled and consoled all his well wishers and followers before he was taken to the Sabarmati jail. The great trial was finished. At last, Gandhiji got 6 months imprisonment along with the fine of 1000 rupees. So, Gandhiji almost he accepted the guilty and smiled and consoled to all his supporters and the well-wishers and followers before he was taken into the Sabarmati jail. So this is about the great trial. Thereafter, the great trial was finished. So Gandhiji, the main reason that Gandhiji got a trial only because the published Gandhiji published the articles against the British system. So that is under Article 124A and got the charges under Section 124A of Indian Penal Code. Gandhiji was arrested and was got an imprisonment of 6 months and 1000 rupees fine and he was taken to Sabarmati jail. So this is about a great trial. I think you have understood. If you want highlights and notes with regarding this, you can take a screenshot of this and you can go through this important points. So thank you guys and I'm very soon I'm coming with a new video. So to get notification of my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.